application settings. You can do this by clicking on this button here, or you will have an opportunity to do so in the same pop-up window when you first launch the Lazada connector for the first time. When you launch the application settings, you'll see a box appear with functionalities and actions. To enable the different functionalities, you can tick the action button here. Once you have selected your application settings you'd like to run, you can then set up your payment method. This enables you to map your Limworks and Lazada payment services together to ensure accurate information is stored. So when you are processing and importing orders, the correct payment service will be assigned to each particular order. To get started creating a new payment method to Lazada connector, you can click on the plus symbol here. You can select the Limworks payment service that you have set up in Limworks already, and you can also enter in the corresponding Lazada payment service which you like to map the Limworks payment service to. Make sure that you have the Limworks order status button toggled as paid if you want to see paid orders come through into the order import in the Lazada connector dashboard. Once you've got this set up, hit save, and then you can press the cross symbol to close the window. Once you have set up your payment methods, we can now set up the postal services. Once again, you can also do this in the pop-up window which you'll see when you first launch the Lazada connector, or you'll be able to do it here by clicking on the button in the application. Here you can make sure that the Limworks orders have the correct postal services based on the selected shipping options in the original Lazada order by mapping them specifically. Please note, if a Lazada postal service hasn't been mapped, then the order in Limworks will have the default postal service, which may cause issues when dispatching products in the order. To get started creating a new service, you can click the plus symbol here, select the Limworks postal service which you would like to use, and then select the corresponding Lazada postal service which you would like to map the Limworks postal service to. Once you've done this, click add and click X once you've finished, and there you go. In the pop-up window when you first launch the application, you will be able to opt in to an annual or monthly subscription to be able to use the Lazada connector. Alternatively, you will be able to subscribe in the dashboard when you start using the application trial.